In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset or change password in Windows 10. Method 1. Change password. Click on the Start. Open Settings. Select Accounts. On the left side, click on Sign-in Options. Click on Password, then select Change. Now enter your current password. Click on Next. Type your new password and make sure to enter password hint. Then click on Next. That's it. Your password is successfully changed. Method 2. Use shortcut. On your keyboard, press and hold Control, Alt, then Delete. You will get a screen like this. Click on Change a Password. Enter your old password and set a new one. That's all for today. See you in the next video.